2. So I again divide it by 2. I will take 4. So 2 2s are 4. Now I will take 9. 2 4s are 8. Now 1 remains. So 1 0 is 10. 2 5s are 10. So now see, it is ending with 5. So I have to divide it by 5. 5 4s are 20. So 24 minus 20 is 4. 4 5 45. So 5 9s are 45. Now I will divide it by 7. 7 sevens are 49. Now I will again divide it by 7. So I will get 1. So what is prime factorization of 980? I can write it like 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 7. So please everyone write it in your copy. 28th July.
Ma'am, written by Hriday.
Great, Hirday. So I am very happy with our monitors, especially Ahana. Ahana's work is very nice. I appreciate Ahana. You are doing very good work.
Thank you, ma'am.
So if it is completed, do tell me, then we will proceed to the next sum.
Ma'am, I am writing.
Tanmay, do it fast.
Ma'am, I am on LCM.
Okay.
Ma'am, we shall move.
Okay. Okay, Tanit. Okay, Tanmay. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
So please speak so that we can move to the next.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start the exercise itself. That is exercise 3.5. So see which of the following statements are true. If a number is divisible by 9, is divisible by 3, it must be divisible by 9. So what do you say? If the number is divisible by 3, it must be divisible by 9. So who all are ready with the answer? Please do tell me.
Can Hriday tell?
Yes, Hirday, with explanation.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first the answer will be false because ma'am, 6 is divisible by 3 but is not divisible by 9.
Wow, great. So 6 is divisible by 3. We can check that 6 is divisible by 3.
Not by 9.
Not by 9.
Ma'am, the same goes for the question.
Hold on, Hirday. Don't be in so hurry. if a number is divisible by 3, it must be divisible by 9. So Hirday is saying it is false.
No. Ma'am, it's false also and true. Because 18 is in 9 tables also and 3 is also. And
We'll
3
say
to the
it is
6
not
and the
always
3
true.
is not.
Hirday,
Yes, ma'am.
it is not true. Why I am saying it is not true? Because if you divide 6 by 3, then yes, it is divisible. But if you divide 6 by 9, then it is not divisible. So it is not always true. So we say that it is false. As
Ma'am, should I send you the maths assignment?
not right now, we will be completing this NCRT first, then we will do. So please concentrate on the class as you are already late. So false as 6 is divisible by 3, but 6 is not divisible by 9. Understand? So this is A part. So let's move to the B part. If a number is divisible by 9, it must be divisible by 3. Yes, who is ready with the answer? Raise your hand. Don't speak directly.
Ma'am, which one?
Ahana is ready for the B part. Ahana,
B part.
tell me.
Ma'am, as they told in the first one, so it's just, I mean, it's same. Like it's not divisible by 3 and 9. I mean,
Ma'am, Anand wants to say.
Okay, let Ahana finish. Then you say.
I mean to say that, like in question 1, they asked if a number is divisible by 3, then it must be divisible by 9. So the answer is false. So similarly, they have just replaced the digits.
No. No, Ahana.
Ma'am, Manan.
Yes, Manan.
Ma'am, it is false because for the divisibility rule of 9, we just have to check the sum of the number, and if it is divisible by 9, so it is. Matlab, if it is by, if we check divisibility rule.
What do you say, Hirday?
Ma'am, I'm just showing myself.
Okay, great. So good, you need to solve everyone. So see, if a number is divisible by 9, then it must be divisible by...
Ma'am, if the sum of digits of any number is divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9. So it is false.
No, it is true.
Ma'am, how?
I'm
Ma'am, the
telling.
divisibility rule of 9 is like if the sum of any digit is divisible by 9, so it is divisible. Why we need 3 here?
Yeah, I'm telling you. Let's take 72. 72 is divisible by 9. Yes, 8 times. If I check 72 for 3, then 3 2 are 6, 1 2, 3 4 are 12. So it is divisible by 9 as well as 3. So what is the reason? Because if you look at the divisibility rule of 9, sum of all digits should be divisible by 9. And 9's factor is 3 into 3. So definitely it will be divisible by 3. So answer
Ma'am,
is
we have to
true.
write this. You have done that 72 divided by 9 comes
Yes, yes, you can give the examples, true. You write true and then give example like 72 is divisible by 9 as well as 3.
Ma'am, do we write this in a copy?
Yes, that is called classwork. We need to write the answers. You can write exercise 3.5 NCRT, question number
done.
1.
Tanmay is not sending the classwork of.
I have sent
Okay.
yesterday.
He has sent yesterday and he is now a very good boy, Hirday. Please mind it. He will be sending today also.
Yes, ma'am, I'm noting.
So let's move to the
Ma'am, do we write that also like false as 6 is divisible by 3 but 6 is not? So do we write this also?
correct.
Ma'am, return.
Ma'am, just a second. Ma'am, I'm taking a screenshot. I'll be rejoining, okay?
Ma'am, can I tell of the next one?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. It's written a number is divisible by 18 if it is divisible by 3 and 6. So, ma'am, the answer for this is, since 18 is divisible by both 3 and 6, every number divisible by 18 will be divisible by 3 and 6 also. I'm right. Hello?
You are saying true.
Yes, ma'am. The reason is that since 18 is divisible by 3 and 6, both, every number divisible by 18 will be divisible by 3 and 6 also.
No, this is false statement. Like I'm showing you why it is false.
Give an example.
If I give the example of 90, you check it by 18. So yes, it is 90 is divisible by 18. We will be getting 5. And if I check 90 by 3, then yes, it is divisible by 3. If I check 90 with 6, then it is not divisible by. अच्छा अच्छा ये भी है. दूसरा एग्जाम्पल लेना पड़ेगा. जस्ट अ मिनट. आई हैव टू टेक अनदर एग्जाम्पल क्योंकि ये तो है तीनों. If I take another example, which example I can take? Anyone suggest me?
Ma'am, is it true?
No, it is false. But number I am thinking which number is divisible by 18 but not by let's say 3.
Ma'am, it is coming 30. If it is 90 divided by 3.
Yeah, it is coming 30 and I'm just thinking मैं आपको क्या example दूँ. So देखो अगर मैं example देती हूँ 24. So 24 is divisible by 3 8 times. और अगर मैं 24 को 6 से डिवाइड करती हूँ so again it is divisible by 6. So 24 is divisible by both 3 and 6, but 24 is not divisible by 18. So that is the best example I can give. तो आपने देखा एक नंबर 3 से भी डिविजिबल है, 6 से भी डिविजिबल है, बट इट इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 18.
Okay, ma'am.
So if you have written, then we can proceed, or you can try yourself. D part.
From me, we can proceed.
So can I erase everything which is on the screen?
What you have read this false statement, I have not noted.
Which?
That C1.
False. I have written it is false. You can give example of 24.
And D1?
D we will be doing.
Okay, you can draw out.
So can I clear?
Yes, ma'am. You have read any example of this?
No, we will be discussing D part right now. I have not done D part. Yes, if a number is divisible by 9 and 10 both, then it must be divisible by 90. What do you think? Raise your hands who know the answer. Yes, Hirday. What do you say? Your hand is raised accidentally.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I say this statement is true. See, if I check 180, then 180 is divisible by 9. And if I check 180 by 10, then yes, 180 is divisible by 10. If I check 180 by 90, then yes, it is also divisible by 90.
I'm done.
So E part, if two numbers are co-prime, at least one of them must be prime. So please think over this statement and do tell me.
Number of
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes.
Yes. Ma'am, it's false because 15 and 32 are co-prime numbers and also composite numbers.
False, as 15 and 32 are co-prime numbers
And also composite numbers.
and also composite numbers. Excellent, Hirday. So when you check at 15 and 32, they are co-prime number because they have only one as common factor. If you do write the factors of 15, then it is 3 into 5, And if you write the factors of 32, then it is 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times. So there is no other common factor. They have only one as common factor. So we call them co-prime. And if you look at them, they are composite also. So this statement is false. Very good.
Ma'am, Tanmay is writing.
Okay, Tanmay, write it down. Then do tell. We will move to F part. And others think about F part who have written.
Ma'am, I thought Tanmay can tell after writing this.
Yeah, Tanmay. So I give F part to Tanmay.
Ma'am, may I tell the F part?
Yeah.
I'm done.
Yes, ma'am.
No, Tanmay.
On which we are F1. Ma'am, it is false.
Tanmay is saying it is false. Okay, why Tanmay?
As 12 is divisible by 4, but is not divisible by 8.
Very good. So 12 is divisible by 4, but 12 is not divisible by 8. Excellent, Tanmay. Good example. So please write it down, then we will proceed to the next sum.
Ma'am, written by Hriday. From me, you can proceed from next question.
Ahana,
I'm writing.
Ma'am, write it.
Ma'am, in our school, we have learned the factor trees.
speak again.
Ma'am, in our school, Aisha, we have learned the factor trees.
Okay. So can I erase
Yes, yes, written.
Tanmay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I erase?
Ma'am, I have written already. I have said.
Okay, so let's start with G part. All numbers which are divisible by 8 must also be divisible by 4. Who wants to speak for G? Yes, Hriday.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, all the number which are divisible by 8 must be divisible by 4. It is false because 12 is divisible by 4 but not with 8.
No, you are doing wrong. See, the question is all the numbers which are divisible by 8 must also be divisible by 4. So if you check 24, then 24 is divisible by 8 and 24 is also divisible by 4.
Ma'am, please give me a second. 1 second.
So others, please write the statement is true.
Ma'am, one example also can be
Yes.
I'm written by Hirday.
Hirday, you want to give some example?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so let's move to H part. If a number exactly divides two numbers separately, it must exactly divide their sum. Anyone who is ready?
Ma'am, Hirday is ready.
Yes, Hirday.
Ma'am, I'm not really sure about my answer, but I will say false since 2 divides 12, but it does not divide 7 and 5.
No, 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 no.
Ma'am, can Tanmay tell?
Yes, Tanmay.
Ma'am, true. True.
Yes. How?
2 multiply 4 is equal to 8. Okay. If a number is divisible by 8, it will be also divisible by 2 and 4.
No, no, just understand. So the question is if a number exactly divides two numbers separately. Like if I talk about the two numbers are 6 and 12. And if I say 2 is
Ma'am,
dividing,
I understand. Ma'am, understand. Can I say?
yeah,
Ma'am, yes, this is true as 2 divides 4 and 8, and it is also divides 12 bracket 4 plus 8 is equals to 12.
correct. So if 2 divides 6 and 2 divides 12, so 2 will also divide their sum. So what is the sum of 6 and 12? So 18. So 2 also divides their sum. Understand? So we can say if 2 divides 6 and 2 divides 12, then 2 will also divides their sum, that is 18.
I'm written by Hirday.
Okay, Hirday, what about others?
Written, ma'am.
Okay, Tanmay, do tell me I. So please, everyone think of I part.
Ma'am, can Tanmay tell?
Yes, Tanmay.
Ma'am, it is false.
Correct. Why?
2 divide 12, but it does not divide 7 and 5.
Ma'am,
Very
I
good.
mistakenly did the answer of this one.
Yes. So if 2 divides 12, then 2 does not divides 7 and 5. Very good, Tanmay. It is a false statement.
Ma'am, I want to say that Manan said that he is coming in 1 second and he is not come yet.
Maybe,
Ma'am, B1 can Tanmay tell of second part?
yeah. Can I erase if you all have completed?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Yes, Tanmay, do tell me A part.
Ma'am, I said B.
You don't want A?
Ma'am, can I tell it?
Yes, Hirday.
Ma'am, it must be 2 3 the 6 and 5 2 the 10.
Correct. So see how to make the factor tree, like if 60. So I will write it as a product of 2. So I can write it like 6 and 10. So if I further divide it product of prime number, then it is 2 into 3 is 6. Similarly, if I write about 10, then it is 5 and 2. So this is the final answer. Okay, so please tell me B part.
Ma'am, that
Yeah.
Tanmay want to tell.
Yeah, Tanmay.
Ma'am, 60 and 30 will be 2.
30 into 2 is 60, correct? Then
30 into 10, 5.
10
Ma'am, here,
into 3. 10
sorry
into
ma'am, 10
3.
into 3, 5.
10
I
into
mean
3
3.
is 30. Shh, shh.
Ma'am, I mean 3.
Yes. Then last.
Last will be 5 and 2.
5 and 2. Correct.
Ma'am,
So-
written by Hriday.
Acha, good.
Ma'am, we have to make this factor 3.
Yes.
Ma'am, then wait, I have not made it.
Make it fast. Then we can move to question number 3.
Ma'am, can I tell of the question 3?
Just hold on.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, just wait, I am making. Okay.
You can take the screenshot and complete it once the class get over.
Just 1 minute, ma'am, I will complete it.
Okay.
I cannot write after the class because I
Why?
have to do homework.
Oh, you have very big
Then go
homework.
down.
Tanmay,
Then go down for work.
you walk
Yes, ma'am, for cycling.
or cycling or walking? Both are entirely
Both.
different. Both. Great, great. How many kilometers you take a walk and cycling?
Ma'am, my society only.
Okay.
Ma'am, I every day take a 4 kilometer.
Very good, Hirday.
Thank you, ma'am.
When I go in my cousin sister's house, I have to walk 30 kilometers because after doing holiday homework, they ran me down. Big
Holiday
society.
homework? Tanmay, you do
Yes,
holiday
in summers.
Okay. So why 30 kilometer?
Their society is too big.
Okay. That is
You
very
will.
big.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
They have gym, swimming pool, club.
Okay. Which
And we can
society?
go. I don't know society name, but near Gurugram.
Gurugram. Okay, okay. Gurugram is a good place.
And we can go.
Ma'am, can it proceed further?
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
I have also done.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Hirday.
Ma'am, can I tell of the next question?
Yeah, Hirday. Just
Yes.
hold on. Let
And
me.
we can proceed first.
Okay, so let me clear that first. Okay, question number 3. Which factors are not included?
Question is, which factor are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number?
Yes.
Ma'am, its answer will be 1 and the number itself are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number.
Excellent. So please write the answer. Answer is 1 and
Ma'am, fourth one can Tanmay tell?
the composite number 1 and composite number itself is not included in prime factorization of a composite number. Please write it. Then Tanmay has to tell me the question number 4.
Ma'am, I want to ask that why Samarth is not speaking.
Okay, Samarth, why you are not speaking?
Ma'am, it's not answering a single question.
Maybe he is facing some problem at the mic side.
Yes, ma'am, he has written my mic is not working.
My mic is not working. No problem. But I know Samarth is a very good boy. So I assume that he is understanding each and everything. Is it Samarth? Okay, no problem. So, okay, so no problem. So let me break the meeting and connect again. Then we will be learning more.